so much better at the gun than the flashlight.
I know.
I choose a gun any day.
Alright, you're lost in the desert. What do you want, a flashlight or a gun? That kind of looks like a guy if you just quietly look at me.
I'm gonna shoot.
Full auto?
No,
okay.
But it's on fire right now, so.
Are we recording?
I'm recording. Alright, here we go.
Don't
This
shoot
is
the
Trevor.
ground. Be careful not to shoot the ground. Fail. Keep staying till I'm strong.
I'm gonna shoot down there. Can I get a light on me? I can't even see the target.
Are you serious? Oh my god, that was fucking loud. It's wiping. Fail.
Am I missing?
Yeah. You got it that time.
There's no. Oh, I was about to say there's no way I missed that.
You got it. Let's find some targets for Trevor. Don't flip, dude. Put it on safe.
It is. Not a retard.
Just not as much as I thought.
That's so cool.
You should have waited till I got up on you a little bit.
That's all
okay.
that's as fast as you can shoot, Trevor. That's your best trigger finger. Huh? What you got, Trevor? What you got, Trevor? What you got, Trevor? Oh, that tree looks pretty mean. That tree looks mean.
How about?
Take. Watch it. Mag.
Should we go look? Wait, let's go.
John, kind of hold the gun against your chest real fast.
Or no, we're gonna have to go back in.
John, hold the gun against your chest. So it's like against your white shirt. There we go. That's what that baby looks like.
Take it back,
Yeah.
Take it back.
Ah, shit.
Mag. You guys ready to fucking rock and roll?
Ready to rock and roll.
Ready to rock and roll, Skeeter? Come on, Code.
Are you hot?
Fuck yeah.
Hey, let's go find that cactus.
You want to go down there?
Yeah.
Nah. Bust them. Bust them.
We're going down there. Move out.
Yeah, let's go.
It's a really bad idea.
What cactus?
The ones that we shot earlier.
Are they fall? Oh,
Should we just mess up these cactuses so we don't have to go for it?
Yeah, probably. Okay. Y'all want the cameraman real close.
Jeb, go behind the cactus while I shoot them.
Go like right here into this thing. If you feel comfortable.
I don't feel comfortable.
Oh. Fuck that.
Fuck that, Dad.
Wait, John, don't stop. Are you gonna bust the whole thing?
No.
Okay.
Watch. I'm gonna go like left to right. I'm gonna go bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam.
Alright, Trevor, you stand in front of the cactus.
You stuck my wiener.
So, will you stand right here, Jim?
It's loud whenever I'm even like in front of the barrel at any angle. It's really
like,
loud.
In front of the gun.
That's fine.
Wait, you're gonna hit by the shells.
Oh shit! Fuck that.
Give me some better light on the cactus. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I got hit in the face with a cactus.
1,000 ways to die. Yeah!
Fuck, you backed me up into that.
Dude.
Is that yours, John?
I got hit with.
Touch that barrel.
I got hit with like 2 shells in the face.
I'm smoking. Put the cam on that shit.
I don't know if you can see it, but
I can see it.
Hell yeah. Oh my god, that's so hot.
it's so hot.
Oh, hey, just tap it, Jeb. Look.
Oh.
Yo, I think we need to let it cool down. I don't want to fuck this shit.
All right, so here we have John the pussy, who doesn't want to shoot. There's Trevor Watkins.
Alright, let's go up on the kill, guys.
Hold the camera, or no, you know what? There's me.
Alright, who's got a mag left? Jeb and Trevor?
I do it. I have a Magnum 15. Magnum half.
How much ammo do you guys have on you right now?
No,
I
don't. Let Jeb bust his mag.
You want to let Trevor take 15 and you take 15 so you guys will each have a mag left?
We're gonna have to do that out here. Let's just wait.
Let me just bust my mag and then